plumbing. Super fun. If you like Legos from hell. Anyway, we have had this apparatus in the ground for quite a while, and it used to end right there with that fitting and then go up to this hose bib. We are very excited to say that our plumbing now runs all the way to the house, and it's plumbed into the house. It goes through that on-demand water heater. This right here, just for the record, is temporarily capped off, but it will continue and be an external water line out to this area that you can see that William's been working really hard to clear, which makes me sleep a lot better at night. The issue at hand is that no matter how many times we do it, we seem to not be able to get away from leaks. William has given it the college try, and now I'm going to throw my hat in the ring and see what I can do. So here's the challenge. We need this hose bib here, and we are plumbing it into a T. Now, they make fittings that are 2-inch T's by 3/4 inch uprights for exactly this purpose. But I don't have any left because it didn't work last time. So we are back to bushing land. So I just put a 2 by 3/4 inch bushing in the top of the T and put that where it belongs. Now here's the fun part. I am somehow going to have to place this T into this tiny little area all at once before the glue dries. So here is what I have come up with. I pounded this stake into the ground so that it prevents the pipe up there from sliding back. And when I put this T in place, I'm going to lift both ends of that pipe up, slide the T on, and I'm going to do it at that angle that you see right there so that I can then take this and rotate it upright. That'll give me the rotation that you should always do when you fit pipes together with couplings. And everybody should cross their fingers that this resolves the leak problem. So one thing I did this time around was I spent literally like an hour cleaning and sanding and beveling with sandpaper the ends of these pipes. And I did that just to know that I had done it. You shouldn't really have to have it spick and span like that. I mean, it's primer and Christie's Red Hot Blue glue. But I am so tired of dealing with this that I decided to put the work in on the front end, and we'll see what happens. So I'll record again when I have placed that fitting. Oh man, I wish I would have had that on video. It went super quick because the glue was wet. So first I primed everything, and then I put glue in everything, and then, just like I said, I laid this over. I actually slipped it on this downhill side first. I picked it up, shoved it on there. I kept it rotated at an angle like that. Then I picked up the uphill pipe enough so that I could jam it in there, up in the air. Then I laid it down, and then I rotated this puppy vertical. It went super smooth, actually, so fingers crossed that that solves the issue. And now we wait. All right, moment of truth. I am slowly turning the water back on from the tank. You want to do it slowly so you don't create what's called a water hammer down below. So there we go. Now the pipe is filling. and it goes down to the house. You can kind of see the blue of our roof there. And I really hope that that fitting is not leaking, so we shall see. As of right now, it's looking good. Keep your fingers crossed. I'm gonna check it again in a little while.